We are pioneers in carbon-neutral paper manufacturing. How did we reach that goal? Papermaking is a process which requires huge amounts of energy. For that, we use our on-site solar plant with 8,000 plus solar panels and a biomass plant to generate steam, which is powered by residues from nearby forests. If we need even more energy, we purchase it from suppliers with 100% renewable certified sourcing. In papermaking, we also need quite a lot of water. After using it, we return it to the river in the same condition as we took it, thanks to our water treatment plant. The residues generated during the water treatment process are later reused to generate electricity. That way, we advance towards a zero-waste horizon. We also avoid using bleach and other unnecessary chemicals. Instead, our products are based on unbleached fibers. We have replaced all plastic packaging by cardboard. It's not only recycled and recyclable, it's also highly stackable. That allows great logistics optimization. Less trucks equals less emissions. Because our goal is to develop the world's most sustainable paper. lcpaper.net